Hello and welcome back. It's been quite a long time since I've done a video, but here I am. This is the start of a new doll's house project called LARKSHEAD HOUSE. I bought it some time ago and I thought, right, I've got to get it started. It's just sat in my room and it needs to be done. I bought this quite locally some time ago and I thought, right, let's get it done. It's built solid. I mean, it's made of, I don't know, some compressed hardboard or something. I mean, it is solid. It weighs a ton. But it was built for the owner's daughter. And it's a nice house, but very basic. And that's fair enough. If you're making a doll's house for a kid, you know, you understand that. But the roof doesn't open on it, so I'm not sure whether to create a loft space yet. I might do some details like a extra roof window or whatever. I'm not sure yet. So here's the inside. These are the original curtains with little brass curtain poles. So I've removed these. I'm going to wash them and I'll keep them as templates for new ones if I decide to make new curtains. But yeah, I mean, they're very cute. Hard to do one-handed while you're holding your camera, but there you go. But they're nice. They don't hang how they should, but you know, that's what you get in a typical doll's house. The stairs are really cute, actually. They've got hand-painted carpet on there, which is really cute. But you know me, it's about the detail. I want a carpet on there, so I'll probably make my own tapestry carpet or something to go up the stairs. The floors are sound. I mean, I lifted all the carpet up and the carpet is quite new, so I'll probably use some of that. The floor is sound. There's no damage to the doll's house at all. The good news about the staircases is that they do come out easily as well, which will make painting a lot easier. Now this partition wall here, you might notice there's a problem. There's no door. So I'm thinking, I don't think the little characters will be able to morph through the walls. They're going to need a doorway. So I might put on a false doorway. Not sure yet. Thinking about that. The whole structure seems really good. Like I said, I do like those carpets. I mean, they're practically new. I'm wondering if they put them in before I bought it, you know, just to make it look a bit more finished. I don't know. But, I mean, as I say, I've checked under, it's fine. The only issues I can see is that there aren't many partitions for rooms. So while I decide on a theme for the house, it looks like I'm going to have to make either partitions for separate rooms or just use it as it is. I mean, I'm really not sure of a theme, so if you've got any suggestions, put them below. That'd be cool. It could be anything from horror to comedy to anything. But yeah, I'm thinking a nice theme might be good. Yeah, but just looking at it now, I'm pretty pleased with it. I've got lots of bits and pieces I've been making while I've not been filming, so they'll be going in the house. Like I said, the door closure is great. It does shut with a hook, which is there. I've got some photos coming up of a few things that I've started doing. I started doing brickwork effects around the edges of the outside of the building, because I will probably kind of artex the outside, put some detail in, and depending on the theme, that will dictate how I'm going to do the outside. So as I say, I'm not 100% sure of that yet. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I do get a lot of viewers that haven't subscribed, so please subscribe, it really helps. Enjoy the photos at the end, and I will keep you updated, and we'll see how we go. It's going to be, you'll be with me every step of the way. So I will see you very soon. Thanks for watching and take care. Bye.